What's up, everybody? So we got ourselves an SCX10 III. Check it out. This thing is freaking awesome. Just look at it. Just look at it. Look at that. So what comes in the confidential box? Some body posts, a couple tools, looks like some servo horns, looks like your motor mount, a spring, I'm assuming that's for the slipper clutch. And we got a receiver box, some baseball caps, a cowboy cap, some body clips, and some other whatnot. Obviously it comes with a destruction manual, some decals, in case it's just not pretty enough. Body clips are down here, they're not up here, like they usually are. And they're a little bit of a pain in the butt. Same thing back here. They do have some body posts so you can put regular bodies on there. Looks like they give you a decent assortment of different types of body mounts, so you can use other bodies other than this one. I don't know if Hot Rod's planning on running it with this body, but for now, probably. It'll probably end up sitting on a shelf looking pretty. Got that awesome looking transmission. It does look like it comes functional. When you get the capper actually has a little keeper that you can put in there to be able to lock it open so that you're not engaging the dig function. We don't have a servo for this, so we're going to have to figure out what we're going to do with that. We'll probably just use a zip tie for now, lock her into place. You know, this really reminds me of a TRX4 and a Vanquish. You've got two-piece frame rails. You can see the line here. And as you know, it comes with portals, which are freaking awesome. What it doesn't come with is obviously a motor, an ESC, you know, the battery, and the steering servo. We've got a ESC that we can throw in there. We've got a 55-turn axial we can throw in here. Hot Rod's got a servo and a receiver at the house, and I'm going to go ahead and start mounting the motor and the ESC. To get the motor mounted, it reminds me a lot of my Kyosho phaser, the MK2. So it's got preset positions depending on your pinion size. It goes all the way up to an 18. We have a 16 in there. I wasn't sure if a 17 would fit. A 17 does not fit in an SCX10 II, so I told them to get a 16 just to be on the safe side, but it looks like you can go all the way up to an 18. You can see how it slides right in there. Nice and tight. It's got a good gear mesh. Okay, I figured out my servo problem. Yeah, the low profile head here, it will not work. So keep that in mind. If you've got a low profile servo, it may not work. But that's okay. We'll put this on the Wraith 1.9. There's not a whole lot of room up in here. Once you get the motor in here and tightened down and you get your servo mounted, you know, this goes up here in the front and then this goes up here on the top. There's not a lot of room in there, but there's just enough room. We're servoed up, we're motored up, we're ESC'd up. I'm just waiting on the receiver and then we're ready to roll. Oh, I wasn't even recording. Please tell me you recorded.
Teeter totter's pretty good when you want it to.
Grab the catcher.
Look, okay, I'm back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Blue faces busting out the scene. New life is something like a dream. Back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Blue faces busting out the scene. New life is something like a dream. New life is something like a dream. New life is something like a. New life views. I see them paying to play, they be paying for my. I'm paying my dues. They cannot see me unless I'm on TV in times when they happen to turn on the news. I am not worried about but the money, cause you cannot buy with all of them views. I've been on 10 like 4th grade. Same but I'm more paid. Lame throwing more shade, but you know it don't faze me. I'm blowing out gas to the hole with hazy. With a new chick cause my old crazy. Just a young player that the west side made me. But how could you blame me and how could you tame me? You can't. Popping that you claim you a saint. Do what they can and they hate what they ain't. But I am the greatest, that ain't for debate. Raising the stakes and I'm beating them too. Hitters on deck, what you need them to do. All that talking, I leave it to you. Cause I gotta go, got a meeting at 2. Tell me why all of the that you saying don't never match up with that that you do. We mobbing and thugging, you and then bugging. There's nothing that we got in common. I've been out grinding and hustling, investing this paper. Got tired of eating that ramen. All of my music be heat, I ain't missing a beat. I've been blessed with impeccable timing. Watch all them people who friendly, it turn into envy whenever they see that you shining. Okay, I'm back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Blue faces busting out the scene. New life is something like a dream. Back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Blue faces busting out the scene. New life is something like a dream. New life is something like a dream. New life is something like a. New life is something like a dream. New life is something like a. Blue faces busting on the scene. Franchise best on the team.
Battery's dead.
Is it?
Dream, I'm back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Blue faces busting out the scene. New life like a dream.